different. I kind of wanted to do a new little segment on my channel. This was actually an idea of my husband. He thought of this, I don't know, weeks ago, last month, I think maybe, and he suggested that I share some, past collections, older collections that I have, or past kits. And I thought, yeah, maybe I'll go ahead and do that, but I never really did. So I was going through, I'm organizing, as you guys may know. I keep talking about it, how I'm reorganizing. And right now I'm going through all my Halloween stuff, and it's quite a lot. And I'm, going through some past kits that I have, and I thought, well, this is a great way to start this new little segment that I want to add on my channel. And let me know if you guys are interested, because I know some of you, may not be, because I don't know, maybe you guys like new stuff. But some of this stuff is new to other people, new crafters out there. So anyway, let me know if this is something that you would be interested in seeing on my channel. Okay, so one thing I wanted to definitely share today is some kits that I have from Queen and Company. And I've actually been using this Hocus Pocus kit since last week. And yeah, so I have some new memory decks cards that I'll share with you guys this Friday. In case you guys don't know, I'm doing a memory decks Halloween memory decks card series with my friend Sophia, who is Paper Sweets. So anyway, stay tuned this Friday for that. Okay, so this is such a cute kit, and I've had some questions like on it too, like, is that a die? Where did that die come from? So I thought, why not? Let me go ahead and kind of go through this kit again. And I did put the link to this kit on one of my last videos, and they were out of stock at the time, but let me just tell you guys, they are in stock now. So this is a kit from Queen and Company. It's called Hocus Pocus, and it comes with, it's a whole kit, you guys. So it comes with 6x6 double-sided paper pads, stamps with sentiments on it, and you can see it right here, and I'm going to show you guys, foam, acetate, the dies, and the toppings. So it's pretty all-inclusive. And for those of you guys who are learning how to make shakers, this is a great kit to have, because you have all the elements needed to create shaker embellishments, cards, memory decks, whatever you want to do with them. So this is the paper right here, and there's 16 styles. You get 24 papers, and they are double-sided, good quality papers from Queen and Company. And Queen and Company is a great company that I've bought from in the past and now. They have wonderful kits and toppings, which are the little shaker bits. And I usually get stuff from them. They have a website, but of course they're always at the expo, which you guys know with COVID, we're not having any expos right now. But here are all the papers. So you might think it's an expensive kit, but again, you are getting quite a bit. So here's the dies, and as you can see, there's a witch with a skirt, and you can create a skirt with the feet, so a little witch's half of the body. There's also a broom, and then this is a potion bottle, and You also get a couple of word dies and a haunted house. They're all shakers. This says trick or treat. I think it's this way. Trick or treat, and then this one says spooky. So how cute is that? Okay, and then you get all these little bits. And you guys, I'm not affiliated with Tweet and Company. I'm doing this, you know, promotion, promoting their channel or their products on my own accord, just because I think they just have the cutest little kits here, and I've bought them for years, their products. So you have stars, all these cute little, these are like little squares. They're like hard plastic, and it comes in yellow and also the green. So, and then look at these, you guys, the sentiments. Oh, before I go through that, actually, these are the acetate pieces. So you do get the acetate. The foam you also get. Let me show you the acetate. So they're exactly shaped. So this oval one goes with this one right here. And then the adhesive is actually on the foam. So they come like this, and as you can see, here's the so the shiny part is up. As you can see, here's the shape of the hat. Only thing about this set is that they don't have the background die. So when you cut your shaker, you're not getting the background die. So that's how they designed it. But now they did add, later on, they added the background die. So unfortunately, that is a separate purchase. And I think it's maybe like $16 or something. I'll leave it up here. I think I took a snapshot. But yeah, so that way you don't have to cut it. Or you can just, you know, put this directly on the paper. So in other words, you're gonna like pick your pattern paper. You're gonna take out your, let's say this one right here. If you don't have the background die, all you need to do then is use this as the background. You're just gonna stick this on down, and then you're gonna put your acetate. You're gonna peel this off, you're gonna put your acetate, and then you're gonna fill it up with your bits. So, you know, that's, the background die isn't like an absolute thing to have, but, you know, of course, if you want your background to be different from the paper, you know, like your card background, then you'd want probably the background dies. Okay, so anyway, that is, isn't that cute? And then look at these sentiments. I think they're just so fun. Okay, so you can see better. Happy Halloween, everything's better with a little magic. A haunted home is a happy home, so that's a good sentiment for the haunted house. If you can't fly with the big girls, stay off the broom. So that's a cute one with the broom. Shaker right here. Halloween greetings to you. Don't make me flip my witch switch. So that's a cute witch. So these are, oh, they're just so fun. A witch is just a queen with a pointy hat. I love that one. So I think I'm gonna make something out of that one. If the broom fits, fly it. So again, another broom sentiment. This witch, wicked witch can be bribed with chocolate. Witches gotta stick together. So that's a cute one with also the stick, the which is the stick right here. And what else? Drink if you dare. Sending spooky greetings if you've got it haunted, which is brew. And look at the cute font. So isn't that a fun collection? or a kit. I love it. I think it goes this way. And again, it's all inclusive. You have everything you need to create a shaker. So this is just an alternative for some of you guys who, you know, are not familiar with making your shakers, and maybe you don't have your acetate pieces, or you don't have your little bits and sequins and things. They do have other ones. This one here I got. This one is called Halloween Sentiment Stacker Kit. I think they have this on there. I'll leave the links, you guys, if you're interested and if they have it. But these come with, I think I got these separately. These are adhesive sheets that go along with the foil, so you can actually foil it. I think you put it on before you run it through your die. And then this one says Boo, Spooky, and Candy. And then these do have the background dies. And then they do look like this right here. And again, they do come with the foil, so that's really cool. And then also you also get sentiments. I'd turn back if I were you. A happy Halloween to you. It's trick or treat time. Halloween night is such a fright. Give me something good to eat. Something wicked this way comes. So how fun is that kit? And then I think I just have one more Halloween one, which it's not really a full kit, but you can get the die separately, and they're called Creepy Creatures, and it comes with the ghost, the shaker, the bat, and the, why can't I say this, spider. And then here's the foam that comes with it. And you can get the refills if you guys run out of their foam, and their foam is super thick, as you can see. So you can fill it up with lots of sequins. Yeah, they do have refills on the foam. I think this one might be out of stock right now, but you know, stay tuned. They are bringing things back since it's close to Halloween. And then here's another kit called Fright Fest Halloween Kit. There's another one called Frankie and Friends Halloween Kit. And here is how it looks like. So yes, so what a fun blast from the past, right? I love these. And oh, maybe I can just show you real quick. This is their fall sentiment stacker. So I even got the fall one because I love it so much. Didn't really get to play with it though. But here you get Gather, Bless, and Thankful. And then you have the dies again. Same thing with the foil and the adhesive. And let me just show you. And the sentiments. So here are the sentiments. There is always something to be thankful for. Together with grateful hearts. Together give thanks. Eat pie. Grateful, thankful, and beyond all measure. Thankful forever. Let us be. Oh, sorry. Let us be beyond all measure. So you can word it any which way you want. So there is that. Okay. So that is my share for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.